You might have seen that 3M logos and their products are everywhere. This is because 3M has a wide range of products and sells over 60,000 of them globally. You might have used far more of them than you probably can remember. The 3M company has been thrust into the spotlight in 2020, following the coronavirus outbreak of December 2019, as they sell one of the most popular face masks. The high demand for masks has caught the attention of investors that hope the demand for masks will boost the firm's share price. Yet the price of the 3M stock price is down in 2020. Why? Because their CEO, Mike Roman, hinted that face masks are just one of their many products, and while they may look to sell more masks, it might not cover against losses in the sales of their other products. What do you think the future holds for the 3M company's stock price? Take a position with ATFX. With us, you can trade on the price falling or rising. We make it easy for you to trade the global markets at any time and anywhere. Trade your view on 3M with ATFX, a global leader in online trading.